Want to bring back an old Instagram story? Here's how to unarchive it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Archive. Here, you'll see all your archived stories. Scroll through and tap on the story you want to bring back. Now here's the important part. Instagram doesn't have a direct unarchive button for stories. Instead, you'll need to reshare it. Tap on the share button at the bottom. You can customize it by adding text, stickers, or music if you want. Then tap your story to post it again. And that's it. Your archived story is now visible again. If you want it to stay permanently on your profile, you can add it to highlights after resharing. And that's how you unarchive a story on Instagram.